Hello to the lovers of time travel. This time we will ride the time machine and we will have an interesting overview of the life of Bella Hadid and Cara Delevingne from childhood to now. And, I will see the pictures of these two from the time of their birth until 2024 and we will be completely shocked. In addition, at the end of the video, I will tell you 3 strange facts about Bella Hadid and Cara Delevingne that you will be surprised to hear. Like and let's go. Once upon a time in the late 90s, there was Bella Hadid, born in sunny Los Angeles, who was a mix of Palestinian and Dutch heritage, giving her a vibe that was as diverse as her roots. Bella had this thing for horse riding since she was a kid, and man, she was good at it. She ruled the show-jumping world with grace and style, turning heads left and right. Meanwhile, over in London, there was Cara Delevingne, causing a ruckus in 1992. She came from a fancy background, with a dad in property development and a mom who was all about that high society life. Cara was a bit of a rebel, but in a cool way. Her bold eyebrows and fun-loving spirit made her a favorite in the fashion world. She was like a breath of fresh air, breaking all the rules and turning heads wherever she went. Bella and Cara's paths crossed on the fashion runways of Paris and New York, and boom! They hit it off right away. They bonded over their love for fashion and their love for living life on their own terms. Together, they became the icons of a new generation, setting trends and slaying the game with their unique styles. These two didn't just stop at looking good, though. They used their voices to talk about things that mattered. Bella spoke up about mental health and saving the planet, while Cara wasn't afraid to stand up against injustice and discrimination. They showed the world that being beautiful is more than skin deep, it's about standing up for what you believe in. 3 interesting facts about Bella Hadid. Number 1. Her middle name is Khair, after her grandmother from her dad's side. The Palestinian Dutch beauty's middle name is Khair, which translates to benevolent in Arabic. Last year, her older sister Gigi took inspiration from Bella's middle name, and released a signature red lipstick as part of her collaboration with Maybelline, entitled ʻkɑːrə. Speaking to Vogue, Gigi explained, "I named it after her because her favorite color is red." Number 2. She is an accomplished equestrian. Growing up on a ranch in Santa Barbara, I would go to school during the day, then go straight to the barn and ride my horses, she revealed in the September 2017 issue of Vogue Arabia. The model, who claimed she was riding horses before she learned how to walk, is a champion equestrian whose family lived on a horse ranch for over 10 years. Hadid planned to compete in the 2016 Olympics, but was forced to give up her sporting ambitions after contracting Lyme disease. Her mother Yolanda Foster and brother Anwar also both have it. Her on-again off-again flame Abel Tesfaye, The Weeknd, even referenced her horse riding skills in his track Wasted Times from his surprise album, My Dear Melancholy. Number 3. Hadid dyed her hair to distinguish herself from her older sister Gigi. The newly minted 22-year-old wasn't always a brunette. "I just have a darker personality. And my sister being blonde and me being brunette, it's a good separation," she said in an interview with Allure. "I put a blonde wig on and think it would be fun to go back, but I'm happy with my hair. Blondes are so angelic. My sister can get away with anything. A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do." 3 interesting facts about Cara Delevingne. Number 1. Cara Delevingne's height is unusual for the modeling industry. Cara may have the body and the face, but she doesn't necessarily have the height to be a model. She's only 1.78, 5 feet 7 inches, which is unusually short for model standards. We're glad that didn't stop her from walking those runways. Number 2. She has royal connections. That's right. The British model and actress has royal roots, well kinda. Cara Delevingne's mother, Pandora, is one of the Duchess of York's best friends, and her grandmother was the lady-in-waiting for Princess Margaret. Number 3. She's an avid gamer. Did you think you knew everything about Cara Delevingne? Think again. Can you believe she's a passionate computer and video game player? We love her even more now. One of her absolute favorites is Call of Duty, and she even starred in the official Black Ops 3 trailer. This girl doesn't fail to impress. Thank you for being with me. To see more videos, be sure to subscribe to the Time Machine channel.